In this video, we're going to show you to install sway bar bushings on your Toyota Camry located on the bottom side rear of the vehicle. On the bottom side here, we have our sway bar here, and here is the clamp, and the bushing is inside this clamp. Now there's two 12mm bolts. There's one here, one on the front side of it here. This is exposed to the elements, so if you're experiencing a rust and things as we are, you're probably going to want to heat these up or put some rust penetrant on them before you tackle this so you don't end up breaking the bolts. Let's go ahead and remove the front bolt. And we can see that this is loose. You want to go ahead and grab this clamp. It might be kind of stuck in place. You can use a pry tool to work that out. Then you want to go ahead and inspect where the bushing goes on here. Make sure that number one, that this isn't rusted to the point where it is compromising the bar. You want to make sure that there's no big rusty flakes on there. If there is, go ahead and use a wire brush to clean it. And then you want to take your new bushing, and there's a split in it. So I'm going to open this up and slide it over the bar. Take your bracket, line this up. You want to inspect the inside of this as well. And ours does have some rust buildup on it, so we're going to clean that off and then slide this up into place. Now go ahead and line this up. Now if you want to, you can put a little bit of silicone paste on the inside of this bracket. Line that up into place, pop that up. And we're going to start our bolts by hand. Might have to slide that over just a little bit. Move that around to get that to line up for those bolts. Go ahead and snug these down. Once you have those good and tight, and go ahead and repeat the same exact process for the passenger side. At that point there, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.